It went great. They came and educated us on the windows and did exactly what they said they would do.
Oh, it's great. It's a lot less road noise for sure. I've noticed since it's been cold the last few days that the house is warmer. So that
Temperature
helps.
stays stable.
Yeah, you know, it's a lot different, a lot quieter. Oh, they were great, fast.
In and out.
Yeah, they were very fast.
Very efficient and
Yeah. They all seemed to know exactly what to do. And they came and went really fast.
yeah, one day
Great.
they had it all done. So that was good.
Oh, really good. A lot of information, a lot of emails, phone calls.
Yeah.
So, you know, I never had any questions or anything. It was
Yeah,
fine.
they were ahead of the game, definitely. Told us before things happened every time.